Hi, my name is Syndia and today I'm reviewing Sennelier's Oil Pastel Paper Pad. Quite honestly, it's the only oil pastel specific paper I've ever seen in the art supply store, so I was very curious to see how it performed. I bought the smaller pad, which was 6.5 by 9.5. It's very thick paper, 160 pounds. There's a very slight texture, but it's mostly smooth. I like how thick the paper is. I like the finish of it as well. It gives a smooth and softness to the finished piece. It's a softer finish than on canvas. I did a side-by-side comparison of the same art piece. I'll link the video for you if you're curious to watch that one. There's no blending issue whatsoever with this paper. But having said all of that, I don't see a huge difference compared to other thick papers that I've used. Yes, there are papers that are more textured, but if you compare a smooth, thick paper to this Sennelier pad, I don't really see a big difference. The very best thing about this pad is the protective inserts on each sheet to prevent transferring. That's really awesome because we all know that oil pastel tend to transfer on your sketchbooks. What I used to do was to put a piece of wax paper in between my sheets. This is there for you, so that's a good thing. But to be honest, the downside is the price. I paid $25 for this small pad of only 12 sheets. For the same price, unfortunately, I could get a 40 to 60 sheet sketchbook, and to me, it's not necessarily worth the money. If you're a professional artist, you're gonna sell your artwork, or if budget is really not an issue, it's an awesome pad, go for it. But if that's not your situation, I wouldn't necessarily run out and buy it. Maybe there are some things about this specific paper that works really well with oil pastel, but I could not find the information. If you know things I don't about this paper, please let me know. Let us know, the community, in the comment section. That would be super helpful. So I'm glad I tried it. I probably will not repurchase it at this time, but it's obviously really good paper. Do you have a favorite paper or surface to draw on when it comes to oil pastel? I've been really enjoying canvas board lately. It could be my favorite surface to work on with oil pastel. Anyways, let me know yours. I'm curious. If you want more inspiration, you can subscribe and hit the bell for notification and watch this next.